Hey, Danny here, and welcome to the vlog. I do a quick little video here. I was in Walmart, and I was looking for another USB cable to fit my 9. Well, come to find out, I didn't think much about it, other than the fact that when I did change to a 9 from my 7, the cords are different. So now I've got a whole ton of freaking USB cables. Okay, no designation, just USBs. And so I got a whole drawer of them because I needed another one. I needed another one for, one for the vehicle, one to take to work, and one for here. Well, so as you can see, this is the standard USB. It'll fit everything that had that prior to a certain date, and I don't know when things changed. Now they got what's called the USB-C. Well, you look in there, you can see the difference. So, I need another C. And I was in Walmart, and I went down and guess what? I found an adapter to go through from the standard USB to a USB-C for $3 or $4 tax. So I said, well, shoot, I've got cords coming out the yin yang for the regular USB. So I decided to buy an adapter because the Gear 360, you can see how big that port is a C. And of course, my 9 going in is actually a C. But I sometimes use the 7, and that has the standard USB, to charge that and download the pictures out of it. And I says, well, instead of buying another cable, I got, like I said, hundreds of cable. So I said, well, that's a good idea. Why spend $6 on another cable that I don't need, because I've got plenty now. So I can't turn it. Wow. Holy cow. They must make it in the plastic. Jeez. Holy cow. Would you like to come out? I'm going to shoot across the room on me now. Holy cow. You serious? Gee. Oh my word. Yeah, let's try that. There you go. Alright. Very good. Now, I can take my pick, the longest one. And I've got like 2 or 3 in the vehicles right now. I'll just add that little adapter on the end. And now I've just converted it. Right on. Quick. Alright. you know. That's C, because it's universal. There's no, it doesn't matter. You can stick it in either way, which is a nice thing. The original USB, you had to make sure you had the round pot up on top or on the bottom. It had to go in a certain way, where, you know, you don't have to worry about that now. It just goes in, turn over, still goes in. It doesn't matter. Oh, actually, and now I can take it out. So that when and actually, I just bought this. I just bought 3 of them the other day, just before I got the 9. So here you go. Here's my blue one I use all the time, and of course it's a regular USB. So you have to make sure this is going in right, into this one right. Okay. And we'll see the little red light. They're not showing red in the camera. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Little red light. Not red in the camera, it's just on. I use it. I plug it into that all the time. And then I need the other one to download off my phone. So right here, where are you? Had you a second ago. Okay. So now I get that one to charge it. This one to I use that one to download. Now I can use this one on the other side. And all I gotta do is plug it and use the regular USB. Stay over here. And charge this phone rapidly if I need to. Alright, so there you go. Thought I'd just bring that to attention because, like I said, I know you probably wound up with half a dozen regular USBs. And now everything's changing to C's to make it universal. At least on the Android side, or anything that's Android, because you're still the Apple side. You still have their design. They haven't changed, and I don't know if they even ever will. But they've stayed with their own plug. The Android side has changed and made a universal plug. Or should I say, they've changed their design to the C. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and don't forget to read the description. And we'll catch you on the next. I just bought it.